Wow, wasn't that exciting? I've been quite fortunate to experience the ROG Phone 3 and now I can't wait to share that excitement with you. ROG Phone 3 is the most ultimate smartphone in all aspects. It's a 360-degree upgrade over ROG Phone 2. Here's a quick recap of what makes ROG Phone 3 the ultimate weapon to rule them all. For peak performance, we have equipped ROG Phone 3 with Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 Plus 5G mobile platform, a world first. It combines the fastest processor with fastest and more energy efficient LPDDR5 RAM and UFS 3.1 storage. It comes with GameCool 3 multi-layer cooling technology for sustained peak performance. Its 10-bit HDR, 144Hz fastest refresh rate AMOLED display has 25 millisecond fastest touch and 18 millisecond fastest slide latency to provide ultra smooth and ultra responsive gaming and smartphone usage experience. ROG Phone 3 is designed for the ultimate console gaming experience. Its dual partition Air Triggers 3 and motion controlled action helps you advance to pro gaming super fast. From just 2 functions mapping on Air Triggers 2, the Air Triggers 3 and motion control input now take 5 functions off the screen and leave your thumbs to mainly focus on movement and orientation. The special side port on ROG Phone 3 enables charging, accessories connectivity and audio connectivity in horizontal gaming or content viewing mode. For ultra-long continuous gaming, ROG Phone 3 packs the most powerful 6000 mAh battery. For fast charging, now you get a 30-watt ROG Hypercharge charger in the box. Its smart battery extension functions help the battery last much longer compared to other flagships. To help you experience true top-class flagship stereo audio for gaming with excellent sound clarity, crosstalk cancellation and excellent bass, ROG Phone 3 incorporates dual speakers with 2 amplifiers. Audio tuning of ROG Phone 3 is done by Dirac from Sweden, who specialize in tuning hi-fi digital audio. For great photos and videos at Rare, ROG Phone 3 is equipped with flagship IMX686 64-megapixel Sony sensor. There is a 13-megapixel ultra-wide camera sensor for wide-angle photos and videos, and a 5-megapixel camera for macro photos. For selfies, ROG Phone 3 is equipped with 24-megapixel quad-layer selfie camera. The video recording capabilities of ROG Phone 3 have been significantly enhanced with 8K video recording, 4K HDR video, 4K slow-mo, and for first time a Pro mode for videos as well. Apart from fastest smartphone to experience seamless lag-free gaming, you also need seamless data connectivity. ROG Phone 3 packs in a cool new network hyperfusion technology to enable faster data speeds combining the power of both Wi-Fi and cellular networks. Having said that, let's now put this new ultimate weapon into action and see how the one weapon to rule them all performs. So friends, now to test one weapon to rule them all in actual gaming scenario, let's start with one of the most popular battle royale games in India, Free Fire. So to start with, first we would actually get into the custom layout menu and we go to controls and I go to custom. I am actually starting the Game Genie app from the left and I'm pressing on the Air Triggers menu. First what we're going to do is we're going to actually use not the single air trigger but the dual partition air trigger function. So I actually go into the menu here and I select dual partition buttons for the left air triggers, and then I go and select dual partition buttons for the right air trigger. So now you can see here there are 2 red icons visible and 2 blue circles visible out there. So I'm going to actually start mapping these, which is very simple with the drag and drop function. I'm going to take the right R1 air trigger and place it over the firing key. I'm going to take the R2 trigger and place it over the crawl key. Thereafter I'm taking the L1, which is this blue circle out here, and I'm placing it on the scope, and I'm taking the L2, which is the blue icon out here, and I'm going to place it over, let's say, jumping. So I've already mapped my 4 air triggers which we have out here, and I'm going to switch them on. Then I'm going to go to motion control, and this motion control icon, as you can see out here, I'm going to drag it and place it over the lying down on the ground function, and I'm going to activate the motion control. Thereafter, what I'm going to do is I want to also, let's say, go into the settings further and customize my dual partition button settings. So I can come inside the menu, and here you can see here on the right bar, the red in color, what you see is actually the setting for the right air trigger. And I want to increase my R1's proportion, because I want R1 to be a little larger key, because I'm going to use that more often for shooting. And I'm going to also increase my L1's ratio, because that's another key, which is the scope key, which I'm going to use more often. And I'm going to say apply, and I'm going to come out. So friends, right now the air triggers are mapped, and we've also switched them on for this particular game. So I'm going to come out of this menu, and I'm going to save this custom key map. I'm going to come out of this, and we are going to get into the game to actually start playing with this new functionality and see the impact of it. Okay, so let's test. Yeah, the right air trigger is working absolutely fine. And I'm going to test the R2 function also. You can see the R2 function, I'm not touching on the screen, but this is actually activating the crawl function. Yeah, the L2 is working also absolutely fine. As you can see, I'm jumping without touching any icon on the screen, and you can see the icon for jumping is actually getting activated with me just pressing the L2 air trigger. So absolutely fine. The air triggers are working superb. So now we are here in the game, and we've also acquired our weapons. Now let's actually test them. So here you can see I've just pressed the R2 function, and my scope is getting activated. And if I now press the R1 function, so now we are in the game, and now let's test our function. So I'm pressing my R1 key out here, and you can see that the gun is actually firing one shot at a time. And if I press my L1 button, you can see the scope has actually got activated, and it's working pretty well. And now I'm actually pressing the R2 key, and you can see here the character is actually crawling and bending. And let me press my L2 key, and you can see the character is actually jumping. So this is how you're actually controlling the whole game without actually tapping on the screen, but by actually using the air triggers, which is an amazing functionality and completely frees your thumbs just to focus on actually movement and aiming, which makes your whole action play much better as compared to other gamers who are trying to compete with you. Isn't that awesome, friends? I mean, and here we have somebody, and we've got our first kill. That's so awesome. It was as simple as that. Oh wow, that's a third kill. Oh, that's a fourth kill. That's a sixth kill. So as you can see, with the ROG Phone 3, you become an ultimate gaming god by actually getting some really superior advantages as compared to your other co-competitors, with the amazing powers that you have with the air triggers and the motion control function.
Isn't this simply next level, friends? Now let's have a quick look at the memory variants and accessories for ROG Phone 3. We will be launching in India two variants. First variant is with 8GB RAM and 128GB storage. The second variant has 12GB RAM and 256GB storage. We will have a wide range of accessories, but let's start first with what you get in the box. The first accessory is this Aero cover. The Aero cover is a special polycarbonate cover that is first molded and then individually cut to give it precision cut and beautiful edges. We sell this cover as a separate accessory in other markets, and it costs quite a lot. But for Indian fans, we'll be enclosing this specially designed cover for ROG Phone 3 in the box. The second accessory is the 30-watt Hypercharge fast charger. This charger has an IC inbuilt into the charger that enables heat retention into the adapter while charging. This is very important from gaming perspective. Lastly, we got a lot of feedback from our fans that we should enable them to easily use the 3.5mm jack on both the sides, which means at the bottom as well as on the side port, so that even while you're gaming, the 3.5mm jack should not intrude your gameplay. So this year, we've actually designed a special 3.5 mm adapter, which actually works on both the bottom side as well as the horizontal bottom, which is the side port. Thus, you can actually enjoy your gaming as well as music in both vertical mode as well as horizontal mode. ROG Phone 3 will be available on Flipkart, and sale for ROG Phone 3 will start on Flipkart on 6th August 2020. Friends, this year the smartphone industry has witnessed a price increase. This is majorly driven by a couple of key factors. The first one is the GST rate increase from 12% to 18%. Then there has also been around 10% depreciation in the Indian rupee versus the US dollar, impacting our input costs. The third critical factor, which comes especially when it comes to the flagship segment, is about actually getting 5G technology. And we've all seen that the addition of 5G technology in high-end flagships is raising costs due to the addition of 5G. But nonetheless, it is very critical. Now, when we actually move to the most important segment of this launch, which you might be waiting for, which is the price announcement, I just want to highlight once again that ROG Phone 3 is the most ultimate flagship phone that you can get with features and benefits which are class apart from the entire competition. And for this amazing package, we are going to be offering you a very, very special pricing, keeping in context the circumstances currently. We are Republic of Gamers, and we will make every endeavor to ensure that we offer the best possible value for the ROG Phone 3 to our Indian fans. So let's move to the pricing. The pricing of 8GB, 128GB variant of ROG Phone 3 is rupees 49,999, and the pricing for 12GB, 256GB variant of ROG Phone 3 is 57,999. I hope you guys are excited with these prices. Once you do the comparisons, you would clearly see that these prices offer great value for money for this particular product. And we really look forward to all of you coming and joining the Republic of Gamers by buying the ROG Phone 3. Thank you.